I've kind of been one of those people that just press a button and the magic happens behind it. And with AI, that's changed everything. My son builds games. He's young. He's 12. He doesn't know how to code. He knows a little bit, but not enough to build a game. He tried to hire a dev, like a real world Roblox dev. He
Wow.
wrote him a mail. I'm like, you can't hire
Really?
anybody. You don't have a job. Anyway, and we used AI. And so I just started really looking at it as a language, and it's so beautiful. It's like poetry, and you've got to kind of get it all right, and then it works so beautifully, but there can just be one or two little things, and you've just got to move those words around. I don't know. It seemed very poetic to me.
Mhm. Yeah. Yeah, you're speaking with computers, right? And that's kind of an instruction manual for a computer or a computer system. And but yeah, what you're saying is kind of exactly right, right? And of course, AI enables a lot of great things, but specifically for like critical systems, like something like Stacks, you really need you know very experienced, capable people looking at that kind of stuff, right? So.
Oh, I wouldn't trust it to do. I mean, when we first started, because obviously it's a lot about prompting as well. And the first thing, we wanted a car, and we were like, make a car that drives, was my son's like prompt. That's why I started helping him. And it's like the car and the wheels, like it just goes like forward for like a minute, and then the wheels fall off, and it's like, okay, you've got to say, make it drive like in perpetuity. It was funny. Then we would do another thing, and then the wheels would come out on top. So you definitely wouldn't want to trust it with anything at the moment. You wouldn't want to trust it with anything.
Yeah, I mean, yeah,
important.
for things where you could just move fast and break things, and then definitely, right, when the stakes are not so high. But one of the funny things that I always mention is that my co-founder, who works on the smart contracts, also worked on a lot of the smart contracts that sit behind SBTC and so on. He told me, like, because Clarity on Stacks, right, the smart contract language, there's not a lot of people who really know it in depth. And he said he was asking ChatGPT about something related to Clarity, and then he said, yeah, and I got my own code, right? So ChatGPT served something that he wrote previously somewhere else, which I think goes to show like how small this ecosystem really is, right?
Yeah.